Alright friends, me again. I just want to show you really quickly how to access the reports in EdCite because once again, it's not an easy site to use. It's stupid in lots of ways. And as you may have heard me say, I believe it was made by people who hate teachers. It's useful for teachers, but nobody likes it because it's terrible to use. So, we're going to do our best with it though. So I went to EdCite. I'm already logged in because I was on it before. There's actually a couple ways to access the reports, but I think the best way to do it is just from your teacher home. You can just go ahead and click on whatever the assignment is, reports. That'll give you the option of a couple different reports. And the one that I think is the most useful is this live assignment dashboard. So if you click generate on it, then it goes in and it gives you the information on the questions. So you can see, oh, okay, these people, only one person got question 3 right. So that's a question that we need to look at. The other one's 50%. Oh, look, question 5, 75% correct with. So, and then you can go down here and preview the question real quickly from this page as well. So you can just say, oh, okay, question 3 is the question that we struggled the most on. Let's go ahead and look at question 3, click on it, and then it pulls up a preview of it so that you can go over that with students if you needed to. Of course, you probably don't necessarily want to put this up on the smartboard because then everybody can see each other's scores, but you could pull it up and then scroll down here so that you could show this. The other way to look at reports is to go into the actual assignment. And then when you're in the assignment, it'll take you, you see there's a report right here. It's a terrible report. It creates this report here. And then you have the aggregate and the standard and the questions, which is really the only place that it's useful. So you can see which questions they got correct, and you can change it to points or percents. You can see it shows you the same data. Okay, question 3 is the question that most people struggled on, or like down here, the average for question 3 was 25%. It's just, I don't think it's very easy to read or all that helpful, and I don't think the data that it gives you is great. So I think, like I said, the best way to look at that report is to go to this assignment dashboard from the assignment, or from your home page just to click on reports and then the assignment dashboard right here. I think that's the most useful report that you can have, and that will give you the data, especially on the questions. So I appreciate you working hard on this. I know it hasn't been an easy transition, and if you have any questions, please ask. Thanks.